Hey, my friend Daniel here. Welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to be talking about MyEcon and how you could be building your MyEcon business in about 1 hour per day. This is how our team is literally generating massive amounts of sales. So if you're looking at MyEcon as far as a business, or you're just looking to make money online, make sure you watch this video all the way through. Obviously, if you're here checking out the channel and you are not subscribed, please do me a favor. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button and also ring the bell, get notified anytime I'm uploading new content to the channel, which is pretty much every single day. You will be the first to be notified. So let's dive into it. How is our team the biggest, largest, and fastest growing team inside of MyEcon? Well, as a MyEcon Infinity myself, we have a system that is going to help you simplify the process of sharing your MyEcon business, because we're literally going to give you everything that you need to make sharing your MyEcon affiliate link really simple and easy. So first off, we're going to help train you and help show you what to do step by step, click by click. We're also going to give you all of the sales funnels. Now, let me start by saying this. Most business opportunities that are out there have videos that don't really sell the opportunity very well. And they're basically designed around kind of an overall blanket of just vague information that doesn't really give you the meat and potatoes of what you do, how you make money online, what the business is, and what's in it for them. And what we've done is we've created an actual real sales video and sales funnel that properly sells the MyEcon business opportunity and highlights the product and services that you have available to you in your MyEcon business. So we're going to give you those sales funnels. So when you get out there and you want to start building and growing your MyEcon business, you have the sales funnels already built out for you. You don't have to go creating any videos, worrying about integrating any of the funnels or creating any of those, paying for any page builders. You don't have to do those things because we already have that done for you. Okay. We're also going to give you a custom app. This is a funnel team custom app. This is only exclusively available on our MyEcon team. You're not going to find this anywhere else on any other team. You can only exclusively get this from us. This is going to have everything that you need inside of your sales app, and it's custom tailored to your MyEcon business. So it has all of your training. You keep track of all of your leads. Whenever someone goes to your sales funnel and they opt in, you're going to get a notification right on that app, and you can follow up with that lead in real time. You can text, email, or call them right from your sales app. And again, this is only exclusive to our team. And this right here, this app, is one of the top reasons why our team is closing more sales in MyEcon than any other team. Okay. We're also going to give you the content and the marketing. And this is one of the ways that we're going to help you share your MyEcon business in about an hour a day, because we're going to give you the content to share and the marketing of how to do it, where to do it, like where to post your content, when to post it, how to post it, what that looks like. We're going to walk you through that step by step, click by click. Okay. And plain and simple, when you go follow this, you're going to see how you can, yes, work your MyEcon business in about 1 hour per day. Now, here's what's really cool, and here's what we do compared to many other teams inside of MyEcon. We're also going to follow up with all of your leads for you. So yes, you can follow up with your leads from your app, which I would highly recommend. That way you're hitting them on one side, and then we're going to follow up with them on the back end for you. So you share your MyEcon affiliate link out there. When someone goes to your sales funnel and they opt in, we're going to be emailing your leads every single day. Now, we do that for you on your behalf, and you don't have to pay for that. This is all, everything that you see here is all included in your MyEcon membership. So I want to remind you real quick that systems, services, integration tools, all of those things, my friend, cost money. So to host a training site, page builders are not free. To give you an app, apps are not free. To house and literally host videos online, that stuff is not free. Okay. Email autoresponders are not free. Integration tools that integrate all this stuff together are not free, but we're paying for all of this for you to make it even easier for you to share your MyEcon business and get out there and start promoting and have all of this stuff in place so you could do this simply and easily in about an hour per day. Okay. Lastly, guys, as we get towards the end here, We also share your link for you. We have a sales rotator set up inside of our training system. It's inside of your app. You can easily access it and you can opt into our sales rotator. And what's that mean for you? You Your job every single day is to share your affiliate link. That's how you make money. End of story. Well, when you're on our team, we're going to share your link for you because we have a sales rotator that we pay for ads on our own. Some of the leaders on this team, we pay for traffic and we drive traffic to the sales rotator, and it just shuffles through all of the different affiliates that are on our MyEcon team, and your link could be in there and we could be sharing your link for you. It's as simple as that. So all in all, you're literally getting a done for you business and an app. So if you're asking, okay, I understand what I'm getting here. Does this work? Can this help me in my econ business? The answer to that is yes, my friend, it definitely can. And as you can see right here, this is just a screenshot of my email inbox over at Gmail. And you can see that we have multiple, multiple, multiple sales coming in per day using this same exact method. And also what I'm going to do for you, there are 3 different levels that you can join at. So at the end of this video or link in the description down below, plain and simple, if you come in at the top level, and you'll see that when you go to the link, if you come in at the top level, I'm going to put you in my personal sales rotator and I'm going to share your link for you. This is in addition to our team sales rotator. You're also going to get into my personal sales rotator. And as you can see by the shot on your screen there, that plain and simple, this is making sales every single day. And I'm going to share your link for you on top of our team rotator. So yes, my friend, this does work. It does work really, really well. And it's very simple. Once you get it on the inside, you're going to see how all you have to do, the actual income producing activity that you're going to have to do every single day, is simply sharing your link. So let me show you really quick what that looks like. So this right here is how we're going to help you share your link in less than 1 hour a day so you can start generating leads and sales for your MyEcon business. Well, you're going to be using social media. So, which also means for you, you don't have to use paid advertising. You don't have to do things like solo ads or spend any money on advertising. You certainly can if you want to, but we're going to show you the best methods right now, which is free organic traffic. We have this down to a science, my friend, trust me, and we're going to show you how to do this in about an hour a day. You're going to go grab a piece of content. You're going to share that out to social media. We're going to show you step by step what this looks like and how to do it. And you're going to be able to do this even if you have little to no following, even if you are starting from scratch. What I want you to remember is everyone starts at 0. It's up to you if you want to stay there. Do you want to stay stuck? Do you want to stay with little to no followers? Do you want to stay with little to no commissions at all in your business? I didn't think so. So we're going to show you exactly what to do. Now, this is as simple as it is, and you're going to get access to this team training site and your app literally minutes after you start. You're going to see an email from me or somebody on our team if you came through the rotator, and we're going to get you instant access to our team training site and everything you need to get rolling. So you simply follow the blueprint, my friend. You're going to go and start here. And as you do that, you're going to download the app. That's going to be the very next section. And then once you download our app, and we have all easy to follow instructional videos that will walk you through step by step, click by click, exactly what to do. So trust me, you can't mess this up because we designed this to be very simple and easy to understand for the average person, especially someone starting from scratch, not knowing what to do. Now, then you're going to start taking action. Okay. We're going to help you set up your affiliate links. And there's a link right there, or there's a training section right there that says your links. This is where you set up your MyEcon affiliate link, AKA your sales funnels. And then you're going to start taking action where you're going to watch a video that says, this is what you're going to go do. This is how you're going to start sharing content and getting attention, getting people to go to your sales funnel. You're going to open up the folder below the video, and the video is going to walk you through what this looks like, what to click, where to click, everything. You're going to open up our folders. This is where earlier I shared with you, we have done for you content and marketing. This is what it looks like and how simple it is. These videos are basic grab and go videos that are already done, already edited, already ready for you to use and start sharing on social media. You're going to upload those videos to your phone, just like you would take a photo or take a video on your phone and then share that to social media. It's the same exact thing. And then we're going to show you how to put your affiliate link, your MyEcon affiliate link, right on that piece of content and share it out to social media. So yes, it really is that simple. And as you can see by some of the people that are using this process, and obviously, like I shared with you earlier, with all the emails flooding into my email inbox with people joining us every day, multiple times per day, these are just some results from the people that are using this exact system. So if they can do it, you can do it too. Some quick feedback here. We get these testimonials literally every single day. I love the one in the top left. Says, yes, I have to agree. Best system and training I've seen in all my years of being online with many other programs. A major plus. I could tell others when thinking of joining us, they will get the ultimate in training and support. So that, my friend, is how you literally can start sharing your MyEcon affiliate business in about an hour per day. It's just going through our team training site, applying what we show you, grabbing our done for you content, sharing it out to social media, and it's very quick, very simple, very easy for you to do that. And as you can see from the testimonials on your screen, that this is something that truly does work. So plain and simple, my friend, if you want to activate your MyEcon business, you can go to that link that you see right on your screen or link in the description down below. You can simply click on that and then select your membership level. You will see the 3 different join options there. And again, if you want to get into my personal rotator, you can select the top one. Otherwise, my friend, you are seeing exactly what it takes to become successful in MyEcon. This is what our team is doing. This is what they're duplicating because it's simple and easy to follow. And it is a proven and documented method that we have and that we have been literally using for years because it just works. And we've figured out how you, the average everyday person, can get started and start seeing realistic results. Hope you found this video helpful. Hope you know and have a better idea of exactly the system, the team that you should be joining inside of MyEcon. So go ahead, click the link in the description down below. If you have any questions for me at all, I left my phone number right at the top of the video here. You can send me a text message and ask me anything or drop a comment down below. Thank you for watching, my friend. I appreciate you, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside in just a few minutes. And trust me, it is so much better to be on the inside because action cures fear instead of standing there on the outside, looking in, wondering, doubting, debating, pondering. Get on the inside, see how it really works. Trust me, my friend, you'll be glad it did. I'll see you on the next one.